Hey parents, did you know you're God's first teachers? Let's dive into this beautiful responsibility. From the moment they open their eyes, your children look to you for everything. You are more than just caregivers. You're their first teachers, entrusted by God with a sacred duty. Zachariah and Elizabeth in the Bible knew this well. They prepared John the Baptist to announce Christ's coming, working in harmony with God's plan. Just like them, you are called to shape your children's character with love and faith. Imagine your child as a precious trust, given to you by the Most High. Your role isn't just important, it's divine. Train them in the fear and love of God, for that is the beginning of wisdom. Unity between parents is key. The mother, by constant association, becomes the special instructor. The father, with his grave responsibilities, complements this sacred work. Together, you form a powerful team of Christian teachers. Remember, haphazard efforts won't do. Combine faith and works, review your methods, and strive to fulfill your whole duty. In doing so, you prepare not just good citizens but children who will be a crown of rejoicing in the day of the Lord Jesus. So parents, embrace your role as God's first teachers. Your sacred work today shapes the future of tomorrow. Let's make it count.